Hi, it's recovery day 10, November 4th here from the two disc anterior approach arthroplasty, L3, L4, L4, L5. I've made a video in a couple days because there really hasn't been any need. Everything's kind of going according to plan, obviously, and I've been trying, like always, been trying to keep down on the meds here, but the last couple days I've continued to stay down on the narcotics, and I tried a little bit of marijuana, smoking that, and the magic mushrooms. And I gotta say, it's Sunday night here, and after 3 4 days of really trying to minimize any type of drugs and just relying on the natural stuff, and I'm a big believer in the natural stuff, but I'll tell you, it just doesn't. I'm feeling it in where my discs are. That's where I'm feeling the pain. I'm actually feeling it in those bones. And it seems like the narcotics are the only thing that's covering that actual pain up, because it hasn't been an issue before until I really backed off on these narcotics. So, anyways, for what it's worth, I mean, everybody's different, but that's my feedback. And I'm going to try to keep the minimal amount of drugs in my system, obviously, but I don't want to be uncomfortable during this whole thing. You know, it's bad enough that I'm bored out of my tree, but anyways, I'll give you an update. That's day 10, two disc anterior arthroplasty.